Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Eddie Martinez. I am the founder and owner of Real Love Go. In this video, I'm going to show you guys my new soap. It is with all neon color, and you guys gonna see how much I struggle with this soap. Oh my god! There are 5 colors, and not only that, the fragrance it smelled amazing. It gave me so much work to do the soap. You guys are gonna see the mess that I create, but at the end you're gonna see the result, the amazing result that I was so surprised. So if you like this kind of video, keep watching, subscribe to my channel, please help me to get to 1,000 subscribers this year. Share this video, give you a thumbs up and your comment, and now let's start with the video. So today we're gonna be doing a 5-color soap, neon color, and the fragrance that we're gonna be using is Sage Leaf. Don't judge me with this fragrance because it is amazing. It don't smell it do not smell like a herb, really strong fragrance. It just smells soft. I cannot describe because it is so good. Like, I never smelled something like this. So we're going to be using this for the neon soap. It is perfect. It is a unisex fragrance, so I recommend to try and do not judge by the name. The color that we're going to be using, like I say, are 5 colors. This one is Tennis Ball Bracket by Mica. It's like a really yellow, bright yellow. Grape Ape. This one is from my Mica too. Cheesy Puff. You see, like an orange one. Blue Shocker. And Radioactive from my Mica also. So now we're gonna be mixing the Lye Water with this butter and oil, and we're gonna divide this in 5 parts, guys. 5 parts. So let's do this. Okay, now let's mix this. Now we're gonna mix the water with the oil and butter. Hopefully this time this soap will look how I want it. Yesterday the Spanish version of this soap, it was a nightmare. A nightmare. And now we're gonna blend for a few seconds. Now let's separate this in 4 other containers. Let's move really quick, because this is gonna be a lot of work, and I don't want to make a mess like yesterday. I think we're good now. Now let's add the color. We're gonna add the blue here. Now we're gonna add the orange in here. It's a lot of work. Let's try. I hope this time it will come out the way I want it. Oh Lord Jesus, come on. Give me a good day, Lord. Give me a good day. Now we're gonna do the purple one. And now we're gonna do the green one. I need an assistant really. I need an assistant to help me with everything. We're gonna add the green one. Perfect. Now we're gonna mix this up really quick. We're gonna add now the fragrance really quick. The fragrance, little bit in each one. This one, the nightmare star. This one don't have like. That's okay. We're all mix together. This is when the nightmare start. Let me have some napkin here. Let me start with this one. Good. Let's keep moving fast. Let's go with the green one. Like I telling you yesterday, it was a nightmare. Let's see how it is today. And I was on Facebook Live, guys. Unbelievable. Let's go with this one. Okay. Let's keep moving. Really quick. Yes, I was on Facebook Live and the signal went off. And I was waiting for the signal, and I wait too long, and then all the butter start getting hard, and it was a nightmare. I had to get out of the. Live because I was so mad. What just happened? That I couldn't be on live, so I had to take a break, and then I came back and finished the other soap that I have. Now let's just add all of them into this one. It's getting hard pretty fast. Oh, look at this one. Oh, let me move this. See, I think it's the color. I think it's the color. I don't know why this one will look better. I don't know why, but because the fragrance say it's not supposed to do this. See? Yeah, the nightmare continue with this one, so I don't know why it is doing it, but it got hard really fast. Let's just put it now. I don't know, it's the color. Something is not right with this because I didn't want it to be like that, but it is already hard. So I don't know why. If you know why this is happening to me with this soap, let me know. But it turned out even uglier than the other one. Look at this. Too much green. Yeah. I don't know what happened, so I don't know, guys. Maybe too much color, maybe too much I don't know, the fragrance maybe, but this is not what I want this soap to look like. Let me tap it down in the floor. I'm coming back.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Older, our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. Standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away.
Let's do the neon. Vamos a hacer el neón. The neon color. ¿Ves? Te salió rapidito. This one came out really fast. Qué milagro, gloria a Dios. Vamos a cortar. El neon. Look how it looks. It's a lot of green. Let's see how it looks in the inside. Let me tell you about this soap. This soap didn't come out the way I wanted because the fragrance accelerates the butter. So let's start cutting this soap. I decided to do a voiceover because I was recording that video and I was on Facebook Live, so I was speaking a lot of Spanish, but you guys can see how beautiful this soap looked. It was okay. I mean, I know now the fragrance was the one to blame. It wasn't me. Next time I will choose a better fragrance because I want to do this soap the way I really want it. But it looks amazing right now. It looks so beautiful. You know, you look at all those patterns of color and the fragrance smell amazing. That's why I choose this fragrance, because people will say, "Oh, that fragrance made me smell weird," but no, it smells so amazing. But I didn't read the instructions, so it was my fault. But let's keep enjoying, looking, you know, how I cut this soap. I'm really happy with the soap, even though my voice sounds kind of kind of sad, but I put so much into this collection, guys, and to see this turning out great. And right now that I'm editing this video, I can say I'm proud of myself. And the next one is gonna be much better because I know, you know, what to do. But look at this color. Oh, that's so beautiful. This one is so beautiful. This one is for a photo. I will shoot this one for a photo. Oh, hell yeah. So I'm almost done to cut this soap. So let's keep enjoying to see how I'm talking about the ruffle. So sorry. But let's finish to cutting this soap. Look at that color. Oh my god, it looks beautiful. But yeah, this collection is gonna be available on September 29. I'm gonna say everything later on this video, but let's finish both the last two soap. And I've been saying that I need a bigger cutter, soap cutter, because this one is a cheese cutter, and I need a big one, but I don't have the money yet to buy the professional soap cutter. But that's okay. Soon I will have it soon. And look that the last one, and look those beautiful color. So thank you for enjoying, and thank you guys to get to the end of this video. Here is the soap. Look at how beautiful it turns out. I was so surprised. Let me show you closer. I don't know if the camera will take it, but like I say, I look this soap and I'm like so amazed. It turns out to be amazing. The smell smells so clean. I cannot wait to use this soap. So if you like this soap, they're gonna be available at September 29 at www.royallosio5.com. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video, that way I can get to more people. Leave your like and your comment, that way YouTube will share my video. So thank you guys and see you guys in the next videos. Bye bye.